Hello guys, how to fix WhatsApp app desktop is not opening in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this issue, go to start button, right click on it and choose settings. In settings windows, from the left pane, go to the section apps, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and click on installed apps. Here search for WhatsApp app. You may search manually or typed in search field WhatsApp and WhatsApp app will appear as a result. Click on three dot and choose advanced options. Click on it and scroll down and you will find the option reset. Click on reset. A pop-up window will appear, confirm reset. This will definitely resolve your issue regarding WhatsApp not opening. Second method is go to start button, right click on it and choose settings. Go to app section for WhatsApp, three dot and click on uninstall. You can uninstall WhatsApp app and reinstall WhatsApp app fresh from Microsoft stores. Go to Microsoft Windows search and type store, open Microsoft store, Windows store, and from where you can easily download WhatsApp app for PC, for Windows 11 and use a fresh. Click on it and download or install it. The next option to solve these issues is go to Windows search, type store, open Microsoft store. In Microsoft store window, click from the left pane library, click on it and click on get updates. Windows will now show you all your available updates regarding WhatsApp. Here, as soon as these updates will show you, you can simply download it and update your WhatsApp app in Windows 11. That's all.